Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission established under Law Number 65 of the year 2023. This law concerns the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under Law 65 and the Commission's Rules of Organization and Functioning as part of the evaluation of the subject. The subject of today's hearing is Gheorghe Stratulat, a candidate for the position of judge at the Supreme Court of Justice. Judge Stratulat is a judge at the Chisinau District Court. Judge Stratulat, welcome. I'm joined by 5 other commission members. To my right are Vice Chair Andre Bevel and commission members Willem Brouwer and Lilian Ansu. To my left are commission members Lavle Perling and Yuri Gatskin. You may also have seen in the room members of the Secretariat who assist the Commission in its work. There also might be members of the public and the media. The photographer will take pictures just briefly at the start of the session. The hearing is being recorded, and the recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally are available within 3 days after the hearing. They are on the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu. Because the hearing is being translated between Romanian and English, it's important that everyone speak clearly and slowly. Only one person should speak at a time. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Judge Stratulat. The Commission initiated its evaluation on January 13th of this year by notifying the judge by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law 65. Judge Stratulat returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on January 22nd, 2025. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses the information it obtains for relevance and reliability. On the 8th of April and the 14th of May, the Commission asked Judge Stratulat to provide additional information to clarify certain matters. The judge provided additional information in response to those requests. On the 30th of May, we notified Judge Stratulat that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about his compliance with the financial and ethical criteria. We also invited him to attend today's hearing. That same day, the judge confirmed his attendance at today's hearing. He did not request access to the evaluation materials. According to Article 24, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's evaluation rules, if the Commission, based on the information it has collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided by the subject and to announce that, absent its receipt of new information, the Commission will adopt an evaluation report containing a proposal for promotion. Judge Stratulat, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you have provided to the Commission's previous requests for information?
Nothing for me to add and nothing for me to correct. So no corrections, no additions to the matters that we've addressed.
Are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the other information provided in the 5-year declaration and the ethics questionnaire that you returned in January of this year, are they still accurate as of today?
Yes, they're accurate and topical to this day.
Judge Stratulat, would you like to make a brief statement before we conclude the hearing? Is there anything you'd like to say?
Vă mulțumesc pentru efortul pe care
I would like to thank you for the work you've invested, for the effort you've made for this entire procedure. I would like to also underscore the transparency of these procedures that is ensured, as also set out in the law that is governing this process, and the regulation that was drafted is too quite thorough, quite detailed. It provides a detailed description of every step, of every matter. And I would like to thank you for your hard work.
Judge Stratulat, thank you for your comments. That brings us to the end of today's hearing. I'd also like to thank you for your answers to the various requests for information by the Commission as part of the evaluation. After today's hearing, the Commission will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 65. The Commission will strive to complete its report as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's public hearing. This hearing is now closed. Good day, Judge.